He doesn't hear what I say. She tells me too many things. She doesn't make sense. She's too emotional. He's too shut down. Um, you know, you don't tell me if you don't like something. You're always agreeing with me, and then afterwards you get angry at me when I do it. Why don't you tell me up front that you're not happy about that? Or the kids, we have two different parenting styles, and I don't understand why you have to parent the way that I have to parent. So really, a big challenge for couples is to try to understand, and obviously we try to teach you to understand that you're not symbiotic, that you came into this relationship as two individuals, and that both of your opinions and your perspectives can exist in the same space, and that, believe it or not, both are right. So when a couple comes in and says, well, he's wrong for thinking that, or she's wrong for thinking that, what I will often say, or my husband will say, is it's not right or wrong. It's, again, allowing your partner to exist in the same space as you. They don't have to think exactly like you. And your way is quite often not the right way, but your way.